Hey guys, what's up? It's Matty Miller with Pursuit Real Estate, and obviously I have some different attire on today. And it got me thinking, we just kind of went to training camp for the Jaguars, and even though it doesn't feel like it in North Florida, fall is coming. And I would say winter is coming. We don't have those here. We have fall. I'm just going to go through a few of the things that I like most about our fall time and winter time heading into getting out of the summertime, out of hurricane season, all those things. And we're going to talk about my favorite ones here in just a second. So number one, obviously, is football, and primarily Jaguar football. So we just got our new throwback jerseys in there. I am repping Mr. Foye Luakan, one of my favorite linebackers for the Jags. So they are back in action here soon, and that is a big part of my life most of the time on a Sunday afternoon. If they are playing at home, you will find me down at Everbank Stadium, we still call it. I think they changed the name again. Not really sure. We just call it the Bank. You'll see me in Tailgaters Parking. We'll be down there. If you're ever down there, come give it a holler. We're always having food and having a good time. So number two, this is a weird one. Hot coffee. I typically drink so much cold coffee during the summer that by the time it actually gets down to 60 degrees when I wake up in the morning, hot coffee sounds good. Very simple. Moving on to my other ones. Pumpkin. I love pumpkin stuff. It always comes out a little too early in here in Florida, but some pumpkin beer, some pumpkin coffee, pumpkin bread, pumpkin patches. That'll start kicking back up. So if you want to take kids out and do kind of a fall festival thing, I know you got the big one out in Green Cove Springs. I think it's called the Amazing Grace Pumpkin Patch or Amazing Grace Farms. I always see people going out there and having a good time and spending their cooler fall days out that way. Another big one for me, chili. Love making chili. Love to put the windows down. It's, high as 65, which we may still have a little bit of time for that. But we'll get some of those cooler mornings and, go outside, which is kind of my next thing, getting back to outside activities. I know a lot of us Floridians, when it gets so hot, especially in those months of July, August, even early September, so right about now, we typically don't go outside that much. We'll typically resort to those indoor activities. But can't wait for October, November, December to roll through in here. Have that super nice weather that we all live here for. Enjoy the bonfires. Eating outside is a big one now that it's going to be nice outside. You can put a little sweatshirt on and go enjoy our beautiful Jacksonville weather. So even though it's probably hot a little bit right now still, understand that that cooler weather is coming and we can enjoy all these great fall things here in Jacksonville. And if you guys see me out, say hello. And if you're out and about or have an activity, invite me. I'm always down for a good time. So have a good one, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.